Okay, so I'm getting ready to install the passenger side mirror cover for my 2004 E500 W211. This is different from the original a little bit, but it should still fit and work. Uh, One of the ways it's different is it's in two pieces like this, whereas the original is just one piece. This is molded. So in order to prepare this for, I have to screw both the pieces together using these supplied screws, and it's a T10 Torx screw driver. But this is the Howell aftermarket one, door mirror cover with light. It's got the LED lights. This one is it's painted to the same color as the car that I have. It's a 960 alabaster white, and this is the model number WE-M0126AC. So I'm going to screw these together using these supplied screws.